Appliance repair in Fort Pierce? We've got you covered. Treasure Coast Appliance Repair serves all of Fort Pierce, from the Sunrise area to the beaches, Orange Avenue to Virginia Avenue, Midway, Garden Terrace, and every neighborhood. Fort Pierce is the oldest city on the Treasure Coast with diverse housing stock. Victorian-era homes downtown, mid-century ranch homes, and newer developments. That means we service appliances of every age, brand, and type. What we repair: refrigerators, washers, dryers, dishwashers, ovens, ranges, cooktops, freezers, and garbage disposals. Samsung, LG, Whirlpool, GE, Maytag, Frigidaire, Kenmore, and all other brands. Fort Pierce specific. Many Fort Pierce homes have older appliances that are worth repairing because they're built to last. We're experienced with legacy brands and can source parts for models that other companies won't touch. We also serve the Fort Pierce communities of Lakewood Park, White City, and the Indrio Road area. Whether you're in a condo downtown, a home in a Fort Pierce neighborhood, or a property on North Hutchinson Island, we provide the same fast, professional service. Same-day service. OEM parts. Diagnostic fee applied to repair. Licensed and insured. 5-star Google reviews. Fort Pierce Appliance Repair. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.